Hey, what's up? It's Steve Williams, president and founder of TheCreditRepairShop.com. A lot of people been asking me about this debt. They're like, is it real? Are you just writing down some fake stuff on a piece of paper? Well, they just sent over another email from debt collection, a debt buyer, and they sell it to debt collectors. This is medical debt, credit card debt, payday loans, all of that stuff. I'm gonna blank out the company names because I don't want that to be revealed because they'll end up blocking the video. Also, before we get started, please do me a favor, like the videos. You know I'm giving you good stuff. This is insider information, what I'm about to give you right now about debt. And you know what I'm telling you is true. Also, if you look at the comments from people that have did what I told them to do regarding debt, I'm talking about even going into court when they are going to get sued when everything is against them and they come out of there a winner because they know the information. What I'm giving you is what you need to succeed against these debt collection companies. So now look at this right here. We got $9 million, 1,838 accounts. Charge-off date is 10/5/07. Average balance $4,900. Let me tell you, this is it. For every state, it's past the statute of limitations. Even the states that have a 10-year statute of limitations, there's no way that they can collect this debt unless you don't know what your legal rights are. They cannot collect none of this $9 million, but they put it on the market for sale and they'll sell it to a debt collector. They got 1,838 strikes at the bat to get people to make their money back, and they're going to probably sell this whole account for a couple of $1,000s. So they're going to take a risk. Out of 1,800 people that don't know their rights, that's a lot of money that can be collected. Look at this next one, $85.4 million, 44,000 accounts, over 44,000 accounts. Charge-off date is 2007, 11/27/07. Average balance $1,904. Again, even with the worst states, I think there's only 3 states that have a 10-year statute of limitations. It's still past that. They can't even get into court with this. All you have to do is send them a letter stating that it's past the statute of limitations. Let's look at this one, $6.2 million, 2,568 accounts, charge-off date 2011. Only the 3 states, if you happen to live in those 3 states that have a 10-year statute of limitations, everyone else is 6 years and under. Average balance $2,451.79. I'd really consider this uncollectible. Those states that have a 10-year are really like rural type states, farming states. So I don't know why they want to hurt the farmers or people that live in those states. The next one here, $7.8 million, 2,870 accounts, 2009, past statute of limitations for all 50 states. Average account balance $2,724.65. Look at this next one. Mixed accounts 28 million. That's 28 million to $28.96 million. 7,474 accounts. Charge-off date 7/9/08. 100% past statute of limitations. Average balance 3867.60. Look at this next one. $7.9 million, 2,342 accounts. Charge-off date 2008, past statute of limitations. Look, I hate to be redundant with this, folks, but look at this. The reason why these are up for sale is because people don't know their rights and they're falling into the traps, and they end up either getting the debt reauthorized or they just don't show up to court to even fight for their rights and they get a default judgment. Then they got 20 years of fighting for a debt that they probably would have never had to pay a penny for. Now let's get into these here. These are for from a payday loan company, 1.5 million, 1.1 million. Charge-off date is 2014. Still for most states, it's past statute of limitations. We only have those 3 states that have a 10-year statute of limitations. Let's go down. $42.5 million, 3,471 accounts, charge-off date 2008. Average balance 12,000. This is big credit card accounts. And the one right below there, $62 million. Charge-off date 11/15/08. 14,005 is the average balance. And this one here, these are all major credit cards. 58 million, 3,932 accounts. Charge-off date 2008, $14,886.85, the average account balance. These people will go to town on these. And if a person doesn't know their rights, they're going to end up paying this money or a portion of this money, and they wouldn't have had to pay any of it. All with these 3 that I just mentioned, the longest statute of limitations is 10 years. 10 years. I say it again, 10 years. Look at that. 08, 08, 08. So need I say more about that? Of course I do, because there's still people that fall into the traps. Do me a favor, like this video so we can help other people not fall into the trap. Please like the video, hit the notification button also to get more videos from me when I release them, because there's going to be more debt released into the market. I get these emails every day. Let's move down. This one here is a home shoppers type program. Not going to mention the company, but one of those companies. $497,000. Charge-off date 2016. Even with 2016 charge-off date, past statute of limitations for a lot of states. Yes, some states it will not be past statute of limitations. We got another one, group of credit cards, $58.8 million. Another group of credit cards, $20 million. 2006 and 2007. Past statute of limitations, 10-year. But again, they're going after it because people don't know their rights. These 2 at the bottom here are payday loans. Not going to mention the company. $15,730,000. So you can just say it's the same company. $15.7 million. Charge-off date 2016. These are the average balances. So now let's get with the solutions. Again, please like my videos. Please like my videos, because this is stuff that nobody wants to tell you about. Okay, for all of these that are past the statute of limitations, you just got to simply write a letter. Simply write a letter stating that Mr. Debt Collector, put their address and everything, put the date. Let them know. Say, I'm notifying you that according to the laws in my state, that the debt that you are attempting to collect is past the statute of limitations according to the laws in blank my state. Put your state, and that I demand that you cease all collection activities for this debt, and I will be reporting this to the proper authorities in my state. Who are the proper authorities in your state? Department of Financial Institution, whoever regulates debt collection companies. Or if you can't find that department, it's usually the same department that regulates the banking in your state. Every debt collector has to be licensed to even send you that letter in the mail. They have to be licensed to be able to be a debt collector in your state. So if you put them on notice that you are going to send information to the proper authorities in your state that regulate them, they're going to pay a lot of attention to that, and they're going to send you a letter back saying that they cease all collection activities for that debt, and you need to keep a copy of that letter, because they're going to sell it just like these were sold over and over again. The ones that didn't get collected, they're going to try to make some money back by reselling it, and you want to keep that letter, because when the debt collector sends you a letter from when they sold it to another debt collector, you're going to even have more information of where you might even be able to sue them for trying to collect the debt that is not legally, that they legally cannot collect, but you'll have some evidence that they should have known about it. Or you can sue the original debt collector, because obviously they knew about it and they sold it to another debt collector. So you can even get them fighting and suing each other. So please like my videos. If you need help Please post your comments below. Visit our website, TheCreditRepairShop.com. How will you know if your debt is charged off? All you have to do is look at your credit reports. Please use the link below this video, your3scores.com, to get your credit reports and your scores. That's going to give you the evidence that you're going to need. Again, like the videos, please share, post your comments, and have a great day. And I can't wait to make another video giving you some more content. Thank you.